Okay, so when we look at the steps of this argumentative essay, what I really would like you to do is read the prompt 2 times. You need to make sure that you understand what it's about, and that's why I'm saying you need to find that topic or that theme behind it. Relax. If it's something that you don't know anything about, the chances are a lot of your peers are not going to know that much about it either. So keep yourself calm and carry on, okay? Decide your position. Refer to the prompt. Think about it. Are you going to defend something? Are you going to argue? Go with your gut because most of the time your gut is what is correct. The next thing I want you to do is develop your claim, right? You're going to decide, am I going to do a closed, an open, or a counter argument thesis? And I need to establish some sort of line of reasoning. Consider that you might need a qualifier. And then it's time for Gopher's brainstorming as quick as you can. So here what I have down for you, and of course on the test, you're not going to be able to say like, oh, I have 7 minutes for this now, move on and move on. But we're going to kind of time ourselves here to get a practice with it. So I have a review of Gopher's here. Okay, so you're going to fill out briefly for 7 minutes anything that's coming to your mind. And then it will be time to write. So we have an introduction, we have body paragraphs, and we have a conclusion. So there's some important stuff on these slides that I really want you to make sure that you are reading over. But more importantly, because this is a timed essay for argument, you do not necessarily need a full counter argument here like you might want in your synthesis. You should allude to some sort of concession in some way or some sort of counter argument. Maybe that's in a beginning sentence or two of a paragraph, or maybe even makes its way into your conclusion somehow. That does help to balance and show that you've considered other times or other sides, excuse me. But there's just no way that you're going to be able to fit in a whole counter argument paragraph and have enough support for your reasons. So what I would like us to do, or what I would like you to do today, is practice formulating your thesis and your brainstorm. So I am giving you 2 prompts, and I literally want you to time yourself. Okay, so I'm going to try to throw some timers on these screens, or you can use your own timers at home. Give yourself 2 minutes to read this prompt and mark it up and figure out what it's about. Jot down some ideas. Oh, I think this is about this. Okay. Decide your position. What are you going to agree with? What are you going to disagree with? What are you going to argue? Those are those 2 minutes. Develop a claim. Okay, so now we're moving into kind of our 7 minutes, developing your claim, and generate your evidence for 7 minutes here. So in essence, this prompt should take you 9 minutes to do, because what you're doing is reading the prompt 2 minutes, 7 minutes for thesis statement, and evidence. Okay? So you're going to respond to that one, and then you're going to do it one more time. So you have a new prompt, 2 minutes to read and analyze, write your thesis statement, and brainstorm evidence, 7 minutes, and then stop. That's the end of the slideshow. So what we're doing is we're timing and we're having practice here with moving quickly. Submit this when you're done. Thanks.